Hey, welcome back to Grocery Store Boys. I don't know if I'm gonna get to post that last episode.
SNES Battle Course.
Oh, I went to Luigi's Mansion.
Oh, that'll work too.
Boop, boop, boop. I need to start my timer.
There's a timer on our...
I know, but I'm not
too.
looking over there if I have something that tells me.
Yeah.
Oh shit, here we go.
Oh, I forgot how to play. Oh, we got 5 balloons?
Yep. You get 5 in deluxe.
No, I hit a nanner.
You know who laid that nanner?
I don't want to know.
Fuck.
Oh, I got Mario.
I got hit by a bomb. And a
Haha.
shell.
Oh shit.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm just drifting.
Oh fuck.
Fuck! Cordell.
Oh, that bomb almost
shit.
got me.
Oh no, baby Luigi. Sad it ain't so.
Oh.
Fuck.
Oh. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, this is like deathmatch rules. It's whoever gets the most kills.
No.
Yep.
Oh, I need to step up my game.
I sidelined Lakitu. Daisy hit me. I lost 3 balloons. Oh, fuck. Fuck you, bud.
Come here, motherfucker.
Fuck you, bud.
I remember back in the day, if you were a heavy class and you hit somebody smaller, if you hit them hard enough, you could take their balloon.
DC.
I had
Oh
to.
no, the bomb.
I just hit my own bomb. No, I didn't. Whew.
Items. Items, items, items.
No!
No. Fuck you.
Ah!
Man.
Damn.
Iggy won.
That's hard.
It is hard.
Yeah.
I remember back in the day it was just camp on your balloons because it was you were out when it was last man standing.
Yeah, they don't do that no more. I did Battle Course. Battle Course 1.
This brings me back.
Back. Back, 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 back. I confuse the shit out of you, dog.
Oh, I just popped the seal. Means I'm gonna shit soon.
There's a bathroom here, man.
Yeah.
Too much other shit going on. Let me go.
We're at our super swank office, guys. Got a big TV
Super sweet.
and a bathroom. We have a bathroom.
We're big time.
Yeah, we just We just decided we had to have a real office. We didn't want to do this out of a living room.
Yeah.
Definitely not a living.
Definitely not.
I hit Iggy.
Good. Ah.
Fuck you.
I only have 1 point.
I have 3.
How did that not count? Oh, Roy, you bitch.
Fucking Roy.
Anthrax, you bitch.
I just hit myself.
What was that laugh?
Ah.
What?
Baby Luigi, you bitch.
Yeah, eat shit, Iggy. Eat shit, Licky-doo. Licky-doo?
Look at you.
Look-a-doo.
Look at you. I got a feather.
Oh, did I at least get you?
You did. But I got you with my banana ring.
Oh shit.
Bing, 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 bing. Banana phone. Do, 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 do,
Oh, I haven't heard that in years.
Fuck
I've got this feeling. Oh, Roy with his fur. How did that drop me down to 2 points? Is that when you get sidelined it takes you down?
Yeah.
Shit. Fuck you.
Oh, son of a
Fuck you. Oh, dude, I'm getting destroyed.
Ah, Koopa Troopa! Why do I have a crown?
I guess you're the best.
Not anymore. Iggy's got it because
Oh,
Iggy's
shit.
a bitch. You're a bitch, Iggy. Did I ever tell you, DC, that the grocery store we work at? Have you ever seen 8 Crazy Nights?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember Whitey's sister? What she
think
looks
so.
like? Okay. Eleanor is her name.
Okay.
Yeah. There is a lady that shops at the grocery store that looks just like her.
Really? The only thing... Oh, how are we doing on time? That's all.
We'll do this and then we'll just
Okay.
whoever's on top wins and
The only thing I remember from that movie is when he's knocked out and his hands in his pants and he's like, "My fingers in your mouth, kitty, but I don't feel any teeth."
got a finger up his ass.
Yeah. That's really the only thing I remember because that cracked me up so hard. Whoa, low grab. Oh, you took my...
Boop.
Oh, that's horse pussy. Oh, cool, a banana. Not like Anthrax with bananas. He's like the banana guru.
I am the Banana King. Iggy! Thought we were friends, Iggy!
Yay! Fuck you, baby Peach. Killing kids.
Don't you have a kid?
Yeah, I'll keep that one alive. Oh!
Yeah, that was fine.
Oh, I almost hit a fucking banana. Yay!
I've got a crown. Because I'm royalty.
Royalties nuts.
Okay. Daisy, you bitch.
Oh, Cornell, you bitch.
Got him. Yeah.
Damn it. Oh, you're oh no! I had a chance to win that, and I got sidelined. This game sucks.
Ah, baby Peach.
Your random ass green shells. They're everywhere.
I love it.
Oh, fuck this game.
Fuck. What happened?
I was trying to slow down after I hit you, let you in front of me, and then hit you again. Ah.
Hey.
Cordell wins.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
It's a tie? Are you serious?
Well, on that note, I'm outie.
Alrighty, thanks for watching Grocery Store Boys.